Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here at Beach Hop and the power cruise is coming through. All the awesome cars are going to start coming in, lining up out in the airfield, and we'll get out there, start interviewing some of the people and having an awesome time. I'm going to choose some of my favourites, give away some hats, give away some beer coolers. Oh, that's a beauty. And have a lot of fun and look at a lot of awesome cars today. Awesome, so we've arrived in at Beach Hop now on the airfield, and there's hundreds of cars to get round and have a look at. So we're going to have a walk around, talk to some awesome people, look at some awesome cars and just have a good time. Let's go. I'm speechless. Would you check this bad boy out? Imagine if this was your school bus, your bus to school every day. It'd be absolutely amazing. Big supercharger on top of that, huge V8. There's no replacement for cubic displacement, they say, and you can't go wrong with a big, beautiful V8 like that. Look at it, awesome paint job. I've found it, our ute, no bullsheds, absolute business. Ford F5 or F150, I'm not quite sure, but it's absolutely amazing. Sort of Mad Max style going on. The Noble number plate. We're going to find the owner, make them an offer, swap a shed for your truck. Man, it's absolutely fantastic. We saw this awesome car on the way in. The guy's all the way from Otago, and he's come up and he wants a shed. So get in touch with the guys in the office, Bronnet, Glenn, Thomas. You know you want to see him. Give him a call. Let us know in the comments. Absolutely awesome ride. Number 88. Could be my People's Choice Award. We'll see. All I need now is a drink to put in the sweet drink holder. This truck's absolutely phenomenal, the work that's gone into it. Sound system in the back, spare tyre, room for the chili bins, all the beers. Fantastic. Let's walk around the front of it. It's one of the most, one of the pieces of resistance, a bulldog on the front. Is this your truck, mate?
It is my truck.
Awesome, yeah. Great. Pleasure to meet you.
I'm Jelly.
Jelly.
Got the number plate, yeah.
Awesome. I'm Mark. We're from Waikato Sheds.
Oh, yeah.
Here filming. We sell a lot of awesome sheds for people to put their cars in.
I'm from Christchurch.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so come up from Christchurch.
And you drove up the whole way?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
The truck was built in New York.
Oh, right.
Took an old fella 20 years to build it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So all custom?
It's only one in the world. You won't find another one in the world. Everything except for the cab is handmade. The old guy handmade it.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah.
And then you saw it while you were over there on holiday and brought it back?
No,
or?
During COVID, I had nothing to do and soon popped up.
Yeah.
I'll have that.
Buy now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tell the wife later.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, I don't have a wife, that's why I got a truck. Yeah.
So, man, this is your first beach hop?
No, this is the third time I've been up here,
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. It won Waihi the first year I had it up here, but yeah.
Nice. Oh, thank you very much for your time, and it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay, cheers.
On the constant lookout for the dream work vehicle, and look at it, the bull on the front, no bull sheds. This is what we need. Hey, my name's Mark from Waikato Sheds. How are you?
I'm good, I'm Shona.
Shona, lovely to meet you. You're the brightest and most wonderful person I've seen here today.
Oh, thank
so we
you.
thought we'd come up and say hello and you tell us a bit about yourself and your cool car.
Okay, well this is the Piggy Sue. I've had her now for 6 years. When I got her, she was a plain Jane. She was all the oyster white colour.
Yep.
The interior was green and grey and just
boring.
covered in grease, and it was like,
Yeah.
And everybody said, what did you buy it for? And I says, I have a vision.
Yes.
And this is my vision.
Absolutely fantastic.
It's come to life.
So inside you've made all the interior pink and white, which looks awesome.
I've done everything. I'll just put this down.
Yep.
Sorry, I was doing a touch-up polish.
Oh, nice.
So in the under the bonnet, she's got the 105 Ford motor. She's the overhead valve motor, the one after the flathead.
Nice.
So she's the 4-speed on the floor.
Yeah,
and she's
cool.
a 107E Ford Prefect.
Awesome.
1960.
Oh, well, thank you so much for your
You're
time.
very welcome.
And
Thank you.
for your awesome bringing all the colour and beauty to the world.
Yeah.
So that's fantastic.
It's one for the girls, you know?
Yeah.
Got to have something for the girls as well.
Yeah, awesome. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you
Enjoy.
so much.
So we'd been standing out the front watching them roll in for at least an hour, and now we've been walking around for a while and they're still rolling in. I can only imagine it was a continuous line from Whangamata to Pauanui of the most awesome classic cars you'll see anywhere in the world. So absolutely phenomenal to see them all just keep on rolling in. This Ford Mustang's an absolute work of art. It's got the Cobra on the bonnet, which is sort of where we've taken the inspiration for the bulls on the bonnet of all the work utes, and oh man, she's an absolutely beautiful car. I've always been a bit of a Ford man, and seeing beautiful Fords like this today is just cementing my love for them more and more. Here we are, my teenage dream car, Ford Capri. When I lived down in Wellington, my mate had one with a V8 in it. Did a lot of skids, entered a lot of skid contests, had a lot of fun, and absolutely my dream car. When I hit it big and find a winning lotto ticket blowing in the wind, this is what I'll get. But more like our mate next door with a big supercharged V8 sticking out the bonnet. That's what I want. These two combined, my dream. Here we've got the two amazing jet cars from the mount shop. I believe it's father and son combo that have built these. The dad had one, the son wanted one, so they've both built them. Good quick way to cook a sausage, roast a marshmallow. They're about to start up the jet car. Let's have a look at this. Holy mackerel. Yeah. That was absolutely amazing. They just had both the jet cars going, as you will have seen in the video. Absolutely fantastic. The noise, the pulsing of it all was just insane. No more having to mow the lawns. They've done it for us. G'day, we're here with Noddy. Congratulations on 25 years, mate.
Thanks, Mark. Yeah, been bloody brilliant. Absolutely, yeah.
And you couldn't ask for a better day for it today.
No, I mean, the weather's been perfect. This is the first time. Well, actually, we've been to Pauanui before, but not on the airstrip. It's been probably 15 years since we were last here. And I'm glad that we've chosen the airstrip. This is our biggest ever Thursday.
Amazing.
And a whole 25 years of the festival. It's our biggest ever Thursday. I've extended the runway that we had reserved by about 3 times.
Yes, I saw that.
Which is great, but it's just awesome to be here. Pauanui's done a great job of turning this on, and I think they'll be back next year.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. And you guys, obviously this is your last year running it, so you've done 25 years, and then next year you're going to be just
I'll be in the
enjoying it a lot more.
I'll be in the background a lot more. I've said if you want me to come and help deliver the last part, I can do that, but I don't want to do all the groundwork. So
fantastic.
I'll tell them what to do and they can bloody well go and do it.
Nice.
I can come out and be the show pony at the front, and then I might be an entrant and I'll be the worst entrant they've ever had because I'm going to go, that's not how you do it.
Yeah, fantastic. We've got the giveaway car behind us.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So I've brought my my book, the
program. Festival program. You're in the chance to do it.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So everybody else, make sure you get your program.
Yep.
And
be at the draw on Saturday. Got to have your entry form in before 4 p.m. Saturday.
Yep.
Answer the question. There's a trick question in there.
Yep.
Who's the major sponsor of Repco Beach Hop 25?
Oh, it's going to be a hard one.
It's got a P and it ends in O. Okay.
Yeah, nice.
And be at the draw, and you get to choose between the silver Harley Davidson, your brand new one. This is a demo, but we have a brand new one, the Mustang, and we've got a third prize as well, which we're not going to announce until the day. So
yeah, absolutely fantastic. All right.
I better shoot off. I've got other things to do.
Cool.
I can't wait to get back to our beautiful place in Whangamata.
Yeah, fantastic.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much. Here we go. These absolute legends have cracked it. This is what I think we need for work. But Chevy Ute with a trailer on the back, barbecue, sound system, wherever they go, the party goes. Absolutely awesome. Man, this is absolutely one of my favourite cars I've seen so far today. 1980s Ford Falcon. Shout out to my old man. He was always a Falcon man. I'm always trying to convince him to get back into one. And would you look at this? Beautiful blue, big, beautiful chromies on it. Interior's decked out, just immaculate. Absolutely fantastic. this is what I want the keys for. Absolutely classic Kingswood. Shout out to my mate Sam Calder. Had one of these bad boys at a flat I lived in up in Auckland. Did a burnout when I moved in, blew the diff. Then the weekend, or no, like 6 months later, he fixed the diff to celebrate, did another burnout, blew the diff again. Classic stories, classic Kingswoods, absolutely beautiful. So we're going along, we've given a few people prizes as we've gone, and then we're just walking around the cars like this awesome ute that I absolutely loved. I'm just going to pop a prize in there for them. As this is one of my absolute favourites, going to drop them in a Waikato Sheds beanie in there, absolutely beautiful. So this is how it actually all started 25 years ago. It was a rock and roll festival. Then the organisers talked to Noddy and said, do you want to do a car show at the same time? And now we're a huge car show, rock and roll, everything celebrating the 60s and 70s, absolutely fantastic. Awesome, so it's been an absolutely epic day in Pauanui at Beach Hop. I've just grabbed myself a hazy lemonade to knock off for it. We've seen so many cool cars, met some really cool people. So if you want to follow, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and then also watch along, and we'll have more coming up in the future. Cheers! Alright, here we are, Waikato Sheds TV. We're here with this legend. What's your name, mate?
My name's Wayne.
Wayne's the cameraman. Wayne's in front of the camera.
Cool.
And what are we standing behind? A beautiful black ute.
Yep, SSV Redline and an SSV Thunder, putting out over 500 horsepower. These things are machines. Woo! Yeah, man, that's cool. Do you want to check under the bonnet? I'll pop the bonnet, eh? What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's go.
Check it out, man.
Beautiful big chromies on it. Oh, that's loud. Look at that.
Look at that, the old 6-litre V8 can.
Hey, there's no replacement for cubic displacement, eh?
No substitute for cubes. Yeah,
No,
come on.
that's
Get away, you drunken old man.
Hey.